What's up, y'all? You know who it is, Fanatic Beats, coming in for another producer's cut. Show y'all how I cooked up this beat. Using Reasons 10. Gonna use a couple effects from Splice. See what else I got going around here. I know I used the Gentleman Contact. I got my redrum, got my sounds, my drums loaded up, everyone individually wired. Playing in the C harmonic minor. We got a buzz string, stock sound. I got the Contact, the Gentleman piano. Like the way that feels real nice. Here's my sound from Splice. Show you all that in a second. Got my tubular disc, which plucks and mounts another bell. We got the bass I always use, my go-to bass. Threw some compression on there. This time with some distortion. And I think I got one more. Yes, I got my big pan flute, another stock sound out of my leads from the Reason Bank. Let's go ahead and see what this sounds like so far, and I'll go ahead and break it down a little more. Okay, something nice, a little quick slapper right there. So I always start, something with a melody if possible. So I went ahead and do some chords with this buzz string right here. Just went back from C. Just went back and forth on that, C to D. Then I went ahead and here's what the Gentleman came in. Went ahead and just threw in some variation with the keys real quick. Okay, simple. And then we'll go ahead and throw in the drums. Got my clap. Got another open hat. Another open hat. A reverse. A chant that I like from Splice. The reverse also from Splice. This hat also from Splice. This hat also from Splice. Thank you, Splice. And then this one from Monster Made. I follow him on Instagram. Y'all should follow him. He gave me this free drum kit. Super cool. Some nice knocks in there. And then I used the kick I like to do. I layered it to kind of give it the feel of both of ours together. And then the Sony digital hi-hat from Splice as well. So let's go ahead and hear that with the drums. Okay. And then here comes this sound. This sound comes in at the end of the 8-bar, or the verse you would say, or the chorus, kind of just another fill-in. Yeah, I was actually looking for some vocals, a girl singing, but I couldn't find nothing, and so that worked for me, so I just threw that in there. Oh, one more thing with the drums. I just kind of went automation left to right on this reverse, so it can go left to right. So good little nice little feel on that. And then what else we got? Then the bells, I threw some sinister bells in there to kind of just fill in. Same thing over here, just doubles up, nice and simple. And then I went ahead and threw in my flute, my bass line. This one I went ahead, like I said, I always like it's one of my go-to basses, and I really like it. But this time around, I kind of threw a little something on there, so I threw this fuzz on there. I threw the lows up, took down the highs. My damage control is at 12, kind of low, because I didn't want it too much, but just a little bit. And so I had to bring it up a little bit with the master. So let's go ahead and hear that by itself real quick. Yeah, nice little drop over here at the end. And then I went ahead and I got my flute, another stock sound. I was debating on throwing in another sound, and I was like, I found something pretty cool, and so this just went in pretty simple. Yep. So let's hear that all together real quick. So there you have it, another producer's cut. If you want the beat, go ahead and holler at me. My email will be in the description. It's dozeoffonone@gmail.com. Or if there's anything you want me to answer, anything you want to look into, or have any questions, feel free to comment. If I can, I'll answer it. And I'm up for collabs. Get at me, follow me on Twitter, on Instagram. All the information will be in the details below. Thanks for watching. Producer's Cut.